Our next stop was near Saalhusen in northern Germany. It turned out we hadn't just brought the X8 from the UK, we'd also brought the rain. We want to test the X8 here because of the difficult conditions, particularly the wet conditions that we find here. We've been here for 2 weeks and it has rained almost every day. That means we can test the traction drive of the machine, especially the effect of the 42-inch tires, to gain experience under these conditions. We have 2 members from the testing team who are monitoring the technical aspects of the machine. Then we have 2 people from engineering who are looking at what the machine does in the field. You said that the conditions are particularly difficult and wet. What would be a normal length of cut for this customer?
I
would say the cutting lengths are between 6 and 10 millimeters. The biogas plants need an especially short cut in order to produce good silage. We need to crack the kernels really well because the biogas operators demand high quality. We're testing the machine here because the owner also uses comparable machines, and we want to compare the X8 with these. That includes John Deere as well as competitor machines. There are 3 parameters that we want to compare. First, the forage quality. Last week we obtained several forage samples from different machines. Then we're looking at fuel usage and the throughput.
Verschiedenen Maschinen und dann geht es einmal die Kraftstoffverbrauchsmessung und die Durchsatzmessung.
It was important for the test team to accurately compare fuel consumption and performance with the contractor's other machines. Karl-Heinz, I see Marcel is still tightening some screws. What's still missing? We have a Kral fuel meter that still needs to go in the cab. Can you show me that? This is the device. Using this, from the cab, I can determine the liters of fuel used. So during the harvest, and during the individual job, I can look at it any time to see the consumption. Great! Keep up the good work. The contractor, Hartmut Brockmann, was pleased with the performance of the large tires in the wet soil. First, the forager needs to be able to drive through these wet areas without getting stuck, because that costs us time and money. As we can see, that's working well here. It is the large tire diameter that decreases the rolling resistance.